So today's we are going to unbox the Eufy 360 camera Pro Floodlight and see what's inside. All right. Okay. Like this, or it could be like this. Just like this. Should be like this one. Sorry. Yeah. Sorry. Hey. First time. So look at this. What's inside? It looks cool inside. They have a really good reputation in the market, and so I'm going to take it out here. So this is a floodlight LED. You can adjust it. You can twist it and adjust it. Like this is just a light. The camera is right here. The camera just right here. So, yeah, the cameras are right here. Look at this, the camera. So, this one's one of my friends give me as a gift. So that was nice of him. So he's cool guys. All right. So what's inside right here? Oh. This comes with all the screw set. This comes with the all the screw sets and the straps. I don't know what's that. Let me see. These are all just stuff. Oh, this is the manual right here. So here is a quick start guide. They say just like read up quickly and just set it up. What the instructions saying here. All right, cool. Let's look like that. Look like it's, you can put like a nest. This is for the birds. It's funny actually. All right, so I'm going to set it up up front our house, and then I see how it goes, and I'll review later after I set up and see how is the outcome. All right guys, so it's about it, and we are excited. Thank you.